So you'd go to the App Store, type in Career Fair Plus, download it, the first one that comes up, press open. I would definitely set to allow notifications because then you'll get all the important information in the lead up to the fair. Press allow. So you're a student or candidate, so that's the first option that comes up, which is good. Then just press continue. All you need to do then is just type in Southampton and it will come up. Click on the first one that's there, which is our Virtual Careers Opportunities Fortnight on the 5th of March. You can see all the information there, all about the event. The most important thing for you would be to see the list of employers. So you just click the tab at the bottom and you can see alphabetically all the list of employers who are running one-to-ones on the 5th of March. The featured employers are our sponsors. You can favourite them, so they always come at the top. And then if you click on the company that you're interested in, you'll see all the information here about them, what they have to offer. And if you like the sound of that and you'd like to book a one-to-one appointment with them or a group meeting with them, you just click on View Meetings. You'll see all the ones that are available so far. Can't click on them yet because as it says at the top, it doesn't open until the 12th of February. But once it is open, you would just select the time that you want to choose, and then you can see all your scheduled meetings in here because obviously you can select more than one employer, more than one time slot as long as they don't overlap. And to set that up, all you would need is your university email address and just to set up a password. So it's easy as that. And then if you have any questions at all, you can contact us by going to the home page, click Contact Event Organiser and just pop us an email.